Microplastics. What are microplastics? Microplastics are plastic particles smaller than 5 millimeters in length. They have different sizes and shapes. Some are visible to the naked eye, while others are microscopic. We find microplastics in some cosmetic products, clothing with synthetic fibers like nylon and polyester, and all plastic objects can also be a source. Plastic objects fragment into smaller and smaller pieces over time and become microplastics. But how do they end up in the ocean? Plastic waste. Plastics that are not discarded properly can be transported by wind or rain all the way to waterways. Wastewater. For example, when you wash your clothes, synthetic fibers release microplastics that can be carried from sewers to waterways. Activities at sea. At sea, plastic objects are often used. If they stay in water over time, they will become microplastics. Microplastics are all around us, from the ocean depth all the way to the clouds. You probably heard of what happens when turtles mistake plastic bags for jellyfishes. But what about microplastics? What happens to them? Microplastics enter the food chain. They enter the body by ingestion or respiration, like filtering water to breathe or eat, and eating prey that contain microplastics. They can even accumulate in the body, including in various organs. So, how do we prevent more microplastics from entering the environment? Reduce, reuse, recycle. Look around you. How many plastic objects can you find? Could you reuse these objects, recycle these objects, or give them a second life, such as turning them into art, or buy fewer objects that contain plastic? And you? Do you have other ideas on how to reduce microplastics in the environment?